Today, we will install VirtualBox in Ubuntu. Before we start installing VirtualBox, let's first understand what VirtualBox is. VirtualBox is a free and open-source virtualization software. It allows us to run multiple operating systems on a single computer. For example, if you are using Windows, you can install Linux inside VirtualBox. Or if you are using Linux, you can install Windows inside it. It creates something called a virtual machine, also known as a VM. A virtual machine works like a real computer inside your computer. This is very useful for learning, testing, and practicing without affecting your main operating system. Now let's see how we can install VirtualBox on Ubuntu. Open browser in your system. Search Google in your browser. Now search VirtualBox. Click on the Oracle VirtualBox link. Click on the Download button. Select OS what you are using. I'm using Ubuntu, so I'll select Linux distributions. There are many Linux distributions and versions. I'm using Ubuntu 25.10, so I'll select that. If you are using any other distribution and version, please select it. After downloading, open the terminal and go to the download directory. Run ls. Now run the command sudo dpkg-i and type the name of the downloaded file. And enter. Now wait for the installation. There are some packages that are not installed. To run sudo apt-fix-broken install and enter, it will install all depends packages. Enter Y and click Enter to allow downloading and installing packages. After installation is done, type VirtualBox and enter. Now you can create your virtual machine. To create a virtual machine, click on the New button and enter your VM name. Select RAM and CPUs and storage size. I have entered the wrong name. That's why it is not showing the Finish button. Now, click on the Finish button. In the next video, we'll start learning about Linux system administration and understand what a system administrator really does. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and continue learning together.